Guys, this is our new collection. Watch for change. Here we go, guys. And look what we found today, guys. Update for a new collection stones, cream stones. Here we go, guys. Here we go, freshly from our newest collection. Here we go, guys. Look what we got today. What we found. They are so amazing, beautiful. Wow, red color, maroon, green, crystallized. A lot of kind of agate stones. So nice and so beautiful. Right, guys, invite for more videos. Please subscribe for new viewers. Hey, look. Let's see what's this. Wow, so nice stones. Crystallized. It's spotted black. And color is this yellowish. Wow, this one, guys, look what kind of stone is this. So beautiful, so shiny. This red one. Let's get this red. Wow, so shiny, guys, and so soft. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, so colorful. Right, this one's maroon. Now watch this. It's maroon, so soft. I don't know what kind of stone is this, but it's this one is like zebra and spotted colors. How about this one? This one is crystallized stone. Wow, so shiny, crystallized, beautiful stone. Okay, let's see this one. Oh, look, guys. Oh, it's wonderful. Let's see some more here. There's another one stone. Wow, gemstone, so shiny, gemstone. Beautiful stones. Here under this big rock. This one is wow, amazing color. This amazing stone. Oh, so very pure, so beautiful. Love this kind of stones. How about this one? Different kind colors. Stripe, black stripe, white. Wow, spotted. Wow, amazing. What else you want to check this one? This big one. And look, guys, the formations, forms of natural minerals in the stone. Wow, so amazing, crystallized. Beautiful rock stone. There's a hole. And look at the structure of the stone. It's like a frog, the back of a frog. So rocky design. This kind of thing. How about this one here? Oh, so nice. Nice and beautiful stone. Wow. Okay, look guys. So soft, shiny. Love this kind of stone here. Check this. Oh, different kind of stone. So really great. It's beautiful. Right here. This one is, I don't know what do you call this stones. And look at the shape of the stone, the color, and the design. It's amazing. I don't know what kind of stone, but it's really cool. Beautiful, lovely stone. How about this one? This combination of colors right here, green, maroon, so colorful. Something, the shade so soft. Lovely stone. Wow. How about this one? Check this. Some kind of color green spotted stone. I don't know what kind of stone. Something green and spotted, you know. Okay, let's see another one. This one, guys, look. The formation of the stone. So nice and beautiful. Really great stone. Nice. There's another one, guys. Here's another one. If you look, it's a rocky stone. It's nice. Okay, another. Check this one. Wow. Oh, precious stone. So beautiful, lovely. So love this stone right here. I love the kind of stone. There's another one. Oh, crystallized stone. Love the stone. Wow. Guys, for more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Just Rio Sang Pinoy on TikTok. Just Rio Pinoy. See you for the next video. God bless everyone. God be the glory.